Welcome to Cape Cod and Beyond. And today we're visiting the Cape Cod Airfield and we're celebrating Wheels and Wings. Come on along. I want to get to the airplanes first because I'm pretty sure I'm going to run into somebody I know if I go into the cars.
Oh, I'm sure.
Quick little Mitsubishi. Multi-cap.
Oh my god. It is a multi-cap. Oh, the biplane's going.
Yeah. Belvedere. Well, how long have you had the car?
It's 1982.
19. Now, when you bought the car, did the car look like this or did this condition? So you've basically done a ground-up restoration on it then.
That is correct.
How many years did it take the project from beginning to end?
First time, well, it was done twice.
Okay.
First time went from 80, I'll say 83 to 85.
Okay.
And then it was put on mothballs because we had to 95.
Okay.
95 I started it back up again. And 95 I sent the frame out to be sandblasted and came back. That was the only year they had that one big snowstorm and I had to do it at night. So I got, it's probably not even a picture in here. I have more in the trunk. But anyways, I sent it out, had it painted that night, got it painted. Then I had a rolling chassis, put it all together.
Yeah.
Then I brought it back to my house in Weymouth and I'd start it up every few days or once a week just to keep the engine lubed up.
Yeah.
Then in 2005, there was a guy through my work, he had a body shop. And he says, okay, yeah, I'll take your car. So 2005 to 2006, the rest of it was restored.
Absolutely beautiful job. Very, very nice. Now, did you do any suspension upgrades to this, or is this basically stock all the way through?
Basically bone stock.
Okay.
The only upgrades I did was like, years ago they had round ball bearings for, you know, wheel bearings.
Sure.
I changed out those to
Yep.
tapered bearings, which is still around today. And they didn't have self-adjusting brakes, so I put self-adjusting brakes in it. And
Okay.
seatbelt. 57 stock.
God, this thing is so pretty inside. Cape Cod Airfield celebrated 95 years with their Wheels and Wings event, featuring an incredible collection of vintage cars and historic planes. The sky was alive with excitement and the ground was full of history. It's amazing to see the passion behind these machines, both old and new. A huge thank you to the organizers for bringing together car lovers, aviation enthusiasts, and families for such a special day of nostalgia and fun. Looking forward to the next one. Make sure to check out part 2.